This Mazda 2 Red Edition is powered by Mazda's reliable 1.5 SKYACTIV-G petrol engine, offering a smooth drive, impressive fuel economy, and low running costs that make it easy to live with day after day. Whether you're a first-time driver, a daily commuter, or simply looking for something dependable, this is exactly the kind of car that makes ownership straightforward and enjoyable. Inside, you've got features that people genuinely use every day, including Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, cruise control, air conditioning, and comfortable seating. Everything feels well laid out and easy to operate. Mazda has built a strong reputation for reliability over the years, and this car does a great job of showing why. It feels light, responsive, and surprisingly refined for a compact hatchback. For extra reassurance, it comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, free breakdown cover, and a 3-month warranty that's extendable up to 2 years, and delivery can be arranged nationwide if needed.